Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a coordinate system. This is particularly useful if you've created some custom coordinate systems that you want to move from data collector to data collector. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a project open which I have several different coordinate systems loaded and a couple modified ones to add to that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon is, and what I'm going to do within my main menu here is I'm going to click on the import/export option and then coordinate systems. You can see here I have two options: user coordinate system import and user coordinate system export. As I said, I want to be exporting these coordinate systems, so I'm going to click on the user coordinate system export. You're going to see I get a file explorer where I can then give a name to the file. In my case, I'm just going to call this export system and click on save, and it's going to tell me 3 user coordinate systems were successfully exported. So these coordinate systems are now ready for me to import into another data collector or do whatever I so please with. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a coordinate system, a user created coordinate system, from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.